Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's open the box. And first, sure, that was our Poco device, our smartphone. And also we can see here the USB Type-C cable. The next thing is this is the charger brick, the original XIAOMI charger brick with all of the specs. And also here we have this paper box. Inside of this box, the first thing which we can see that is the SIM jack tool. And also have here the this is the 3.5mm headphones adapter. So okay, let's open it and check it. So we can see here that's adapter for the headphones, and also we have here the warranty card, quick start guide, and the safety guide here. And we also have the silicone protective case in clear, the clear one here. So as can you see, that is all of the box accessories with which our Poco device comes. And if you wanna check all of them, you can see it here. Find this information here on the box. So here we have the package contents, so we can see all of them: the mobile phone, the adapter, USB Type-C cable, SIM jack tool, protective case, quick start guides, warranty card, safety information, and Type-C cable or Type-C to 3.5mm headphone adapters. So there are all of the box accessories. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.